Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate milkshake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients: milk, ice cream, and chocolate syrup. For the best results, choose a high-quality, full-fat ice cream. It truly makes a difference in creaminess and flavor. A helpful tip is to chill your serving glass in the freezer for at least 10 minutes before you start. This simple step ensures your milkshake stays wonderfully cold and refreshing for longer, enhancing your enjoyment. Now, let's get blending. Start by adding 1.5 cups of your chosen ice cream to the blender. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of milk. Then, for that essential chocolatey goodness, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. Begin blending on a low setting to combine the ingredients, then gradually increase the speed. Continue blending until the mixture is perfectly smooth and thick, ensuring there are no ice cream chunks remaining. This technique creates a consistent, delightful texture. Want to make your milkshake uniquely yours? There are many ways to customize it. For an extra depth of flavor, try adding a tiny pinch of salt or a dash of vanilla extract before blending. You can also incorporate fun mix-ins like chocolate chips, crushed cookie pieces, or even a ripe banana for a different texture and taste. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of milk or ice cream to achieve your ideal thickness, from a thinner drink to a spoonable treat. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. Immediately pour your freshly blended chocolate milkshake into your pre-chilled glass. For an extra special touch, consider garnishing it with a swirl of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or even a bright red cherry on top. Serve your masterpiece with a wide straw, perfect for sipping that thick, creamy goodness. Don't wait too long. Milkshakes are best enjoyed right away for maximum freshness and flavor. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.